Hey, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the Brown Gent. Crypto's taking off, so I decided that now's as good a time as any to create a video for any of you guys who are out there who know a ton about crypto, who want to get involved, no idea what's going on, have so much information. I'm going to create a series dedicated to making sure that you have just the information that you need to have to meet the goals that you have with crypto. And I want to talk to you a bit about all of that. And who am I? Well, I'm just a guy who's been investing in crypto. This is my third cycle. So I have a lot to bring and teach you guys if you want to hear about it. Just remember, nothing I say here is financial advice. Please do your own research because crypto is very speculative even still. And with that, let's get it kicked off. Just remember, if you haven't already, hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you haven't already, make sure you follow me on Twitter. As I mentioned, I'm putting together a playlist to help every single person who's not familiar with crypto get up to speed as quick as possible, especially now that you're probably hearing from your friends, your family, maybe on TikTok or social media, all about crypto, and you're wondering how you can get involved. Well, we'll start it off by just giving you a quick overview of crypto. So, crypto is short for cryptocurrency. It's a sort of digital payment system, and it uses encryption and what's called a blockchain to basically verify and send transactions. It's considered decentralized money or decentralized finance. Now, the biggest cryptocurrency of all is Bitcoin. It's probably the one you've been hearing a lot about since we've come so close to hitting 100K US dollars, which we will eventually surpass. That being said, Bitcoin has spurred on the creation of so many other cryptocurrencies. You probably heard about Ethereum. There are a bunch of other cryptocurrencies out there. And when you're wondering how you can invest in cryptocurrencies, there's a ton of bad information out there. This is why it's so important to understand exactly what you're doing before you even start investing. And remember, nothing I say here is financial advice. There are millions upon millions of coins at this point. Now, if we take a look at the opportunity that exists, here is the top assets by market cap. You see gold sitting here at about $18 trillion. Then you have five other companies that are making up a big piece of the S&P 500 in Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Alphabet or Google. And right after it is Bitcoin sitting at $1.9 trillion. So it has become a very big and very important asset, so much so that BlackRock this year opened up a Bitcoin ETF as well as their Ethereum ETF. Ethereum is the second biggest crypto out there. Now, just so you understand exactly what's going on, every 4 years we have what's called the Bitcoin halving. What that basically means is the rewards for Bitcoin miners gets halved. And this has typically led to a significant price increase and what we call the 4-year cycle. If you just take a look at the graph down here, you see this previous cycle, the cycle tops between 2013, cycle top in 2017, the cycle top in 2021, and you see how much more we are going. Remember, this chart is out of date. At this point, Bitcoin's already around 97,000. But basically, crypto is not one of those things that you want to buy and hold, in my opinion. Remember, not financial advice. What happens is you get a 12 to 18 month period where you get incredible price movement, which is called the crypto bull market, which is what we are in right now. After that, it cools off and you have what's called a bear market where crypto loses a significant portion of its value. Every single bull and bear market cycle leads to higher prices overall. So if you did get in at the bottoms, you should still be retaining some of the value if you choose to hold your crypto. I think this cartoon really does sum it up very well. This is from the last 4 years. In 2021, crypto investors fell off a cliff. All of 22 was fire burning all around. No one cared. 2023, we were finally coming out of it, although it was still not that great. And then in 2024, now you hear a lot of people talking about crypto, especially in the last few weeks. I've been getting a ton of text messages because crypto has been booming. It has sort of captured a lot of widespread media attention, and people are calling me lucky, wondering what exactly they should do. Probably why you're watching this video as well. That being said, here is a good pictorial of what we call the Wall Street cheat sheet. This is the psychology of a market cycle. The Bitcoin cycle follows this very, very well. In the summer, we were sitting here in the bottom part of depression and disbelief. And after the elections, we are now between the optimism, belief, and thrill stage, depending on what you truly believe. So there is still an opportunity to make money in the crypto market, but I don't want you to get this mistaken. This is not going to last very long, probably be about 6 to 12 months from this point. So just be wary of that. And also, what you choose to get is going to be very dependent as well. In fact, as we see here, the crypto market cap has broken all-time highs. Back in 2021, it was 2.86. We are currently sitting at $3.3 trillion, with many estimating that the market cap can likely go up to somewhere between 5 to 10 trillion. Really depends on a bunch of extrinsic factors. On top of it, now we have people like Jim Cramer coming in and saying it's time to own Bitcoin, which obviously, if you invest as well, you know that whenever Jim Cramer talks, the opposite happens. And in my opinion, the risk to reward ratio of buying Bitcoin has significantly diminished since I purchased it about a year and a half ago below 25,000 US dollars. So when you take a look at all the cryptos that are out there, you're probably wondering exactly what you should buy, what you should consider looking at, because it goes on and on and on. There's so many coins. And if you talk to people who have crypto, a lot of them will just tell you to buy what they hold just so their prices of their coins can go up. But you don't want to be stupid. You want to make money. You don't want to end up like the many people who end up buying useless junk, or the people who end up buying good stuff and holding on to it way too long. Well, if that's sort of your goal here is to make money, make sure you follow this channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications. I'm going to be back tomorrow with another video showing you exactly how you can make money in this bull market and completing this series to make sure you have all the intel at your hands. I'll be providing you with all the resources you need so you can be on top of this bull market. So if you like this video, hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.